Hello students, welcome. Hope you all are well. You have revised the chapter, read whatever I explained. So we were doing chapter 6, the desert regions. You remember what are the things we learned in the desert regions? Quickly, we learned what is desert, any land area, hot or cold, which is getting less precipitation, less rainfall. How it is formed by human activities, by deforestation and overgrazing, and also by the natural resources. Then we had seen also what type of plant life is there. Plants have developed or adapted themselves according to the climatic conditions. We find small leaves, trees and plants. They have long root to take the water from deep within, and they have shallow roots to take the moisture from the rain or the moisture which falls during the night. We learnt about the reptiles, animals, okay, birds which live in desert. They also have adapted themselves to live in the desert regions. They go deep down during the day in burrows, okay, and also they excrete the waste from their body, leaving inside themselves water. All right, we learned there is addax, anteater, antelopes. These are the animals found there. Camel is the sheep of the desert. Today we shall continue in learning human life in the desert regions. Now we are not learning it only in context of India. We are learning in context of all over the world. Okay, desert of Sahara, Kalahari, Arabian, Thar or any war. So what type of human life is there in desert regions? So first take the book. Okay, take the book in your hand. Open page number 30. Page number 30, you have the heading Human Life. So what is in human life given in the page? The desert region is less densely populated. I also wrote here less dense. Less dense means very few people live here. Population is not very large. Less people live here because of the harsh climatic conditions. Alright. And people can live and grow crops in desert region. I've written only near oasis. They cannot grow crops everywhere in desert region as the area is very dry and has very less precipitation. So the crops are grown on or near the oasis. Oasis means where underground water comes up. So a place in desert region where underground water comes up and all around it greenery is there. So they grow the crop near the oasis, alright, and near the rivers, alright. So the cultivation of a crop is done there. Then it is said, so our meaning of oasis is also given. Most meaning of oasis is a place in desert region where underground water comes up, alright. The farming is practiced in oasis and near the river. The crops are grown. Which are the crops grown? In summer season, they grow rice, millets, maize. Alright. And in winter season, wheat, barley, beans, lentil. Lentil is your dal. Okay. All types of pulses dal. Okay. So this is about one first paragraph. On page number 30, first paragraph is only this much. The population in desert region is less dense. They do cultivation of crop only near the oasis and river. Oasis is a place where underground water comes up. Which are the crops they grow? They grow in summer rice, millet and maize, and in winter they grow wheat, barley, beans and lentil. Okay. Next, in the second paragraph, there are, look at the book on page number 30, heading is Human Life. There are palm groves in every oasis. Palm groves means Group of palm trees grown together. Okay, palm trees are grown together in a large amount or group of palm trees. So there near the oasis, you will find palm groves, group of palm trees close to grown together. Date palm trees are useful to the desert dwellers. So they eat date. Date palm trees means खजूर जो होता है ना, you also must have eaten. So खजूर के पेड़ होते हैं. So this is most important fruit over there. The fruit of the tree are very nourishing. It has a lot of vitamins and sugar into it. So very nourishing, very healthy fruit is there. That is your date palm tree. Nourishing, full of vitamin and full of sugar. The seeds are, the fruit is eaten up and the remaining seed is used for feeding the animals. Okay. And the leaves of palm trees used for making the ropes. Okay. So leaves are used for making the ropes. So we rub here about the underground water oasis, types of crops. Alright. So what we saw, next one was date palm tree. Date palm tree. It's a fruit. Okay. It is very nourishing. Okay. Nourishing it is, and it is used for the seeds. The seeds are used for feeding animals. And the leaves are used for making ropes. And fruit is eaten up. Alright. So next paragraph is about date palm tree. The fruit is eaten up by the population there or all over the world. It is provided or exported. Then this fruit has lot of nourishment, vitamins and sugar. The seed of the fruit is used for feeding the animal, and the leaves of the palm tree are used for making the ropes. Third paragraph is beside farming. That means they are doing farming. Other than farming, they are doing other occupations also. What? They do animal rearing, trading, mining. Some people in the desert rear sheep, goat, camel, horses. But because of the scarcity of water, that means lack of water, they are forced to move from place to place with their animals and belongings. So, occupation, okay? So, occupation means what job they do. Occupation, we learned they have farming. That means agriculture. Then they do animal rearing. Animal. Okay. Animal rearing. Looking after animals. Alright. Which are the animals they rear? They look after sheep, goat, camel, and also horses. Alright. So these are the animals they rear, they look after. Okay. But because of the lack of water, people, whenever there is availability of water and food for them, they stay there. And when the water is not available, lack of water is there, they move with the group of animals and with their belongings to some other places. Okay, so these people who keep on moving from one place to another in search of water or good weather, they are called as nomads. What are they called? Nomads. Alright. So nomads. A majority of people in desert region are nomads. The people who keep on moving from one place to another with the group of the animals or herd of animal Which herd of animal? Maybe sheep, goat, camels and horses. And they search for water and the food and the good climate. Which are the nomads group of? See in on page number 31, the Bedouins of North America. If you will go to North America, in North America there is a group of nomads in desert. They are called as Bedouins, okay, or Bedouins. And if you Bushmen is also a tribal group in Kalahari Desert. Aborigines of Australia and Tuaregs of Western Sahara lead a life like this. So these are the nomads in different part of the world. They are nomadic group of people. Once again I will tell you, we have Bedouins in North America, Bushmen in Kalahari Desert, Aborigines in Australia and Tuaregs in Western Sahara. They all are nomad people moving from one place to another in search of water, food for the animals and preferable climate. The nomads search oasis. I told you oasis is a place where underground water is available. So why they are moving? They are searching for oasis in desert where the water will be available. They set their tents and build new huts. So wherever they find oasis, they will set up their tent there, okay, and build their huts there to live. And they move their animals to a new place. People drink camel's milk, goat's milk in desert. So if you go to desert region, people use more of camel's milk and goat milk in the desert region. Alright, so on page number 31, the paragraph we have learnt about different types of nomads. Okay, they search for oasis and they move with the animals there. They set their tents there. They set their huts there. And the milk of goat and camel is used more over there. Okay. Again we go to page 31. On page 31 we have second paragraph, trading. Okay. Trading is conducted on camel back. Earlier it was used, the camel back was used. Camels were used for trading. Nowadays jeep, okay, and vans are also used in desert regions. And caravans of people. Caravans means the group of merchant. They used to go in group. The traders, the businessmen, the sellers, they used to take their belongings and they used to move in group. That was caravan. Okay, caravan is mostly group of merchants and traders who sell wood, wool, blankets, woolen carpets, ropes, dates and food grains. Okay. So in the next paragraph we have learned trading is conducted on the camel. Nowadays they use jeep and van. Caravans, that means the group of merchant carry with them the material like they sell blankets, wool, woolen carpets, ropes, dates and food grains. Clear? Last one we have desert has different minerals also. Rich iron ore, copper, petroleum, natural gas. The Sahara Desert is a major source of oil, natural gas and metal ore. So here you will find natural or we can say minerals also. Petroleum oil, okay, natural gas and copper, all this. If you go to Arabian Desert, there we will find lot of gold, red granite and petroleum if we go to Arabian Desert. And among the other minerals that are found in Arabian Desert are phosphates, manganese, iron ore and uranium. Natural gas is also extracted in Arabian Desert and thus mining is an important occupation of people here. Like in some desert, main occupation is farming, looking after animals. But if we go to the Arabian desert, the main occupation of people over there is mining, extracting the minerals. Okay, extracting the minerals. So what we have learned? We have learned that we learned about groups of nomads. Okay, I told you different nomadic groups are there. They search for oasis. Then we had learned about what we say, the trade. Trade is carried on the back of camel, and also they use now jeep and van. What are the things they carry with them or they sell? Wool, carpets and ropes, dates and food grains. Now, these are the things they sell. Next, what we have learned, another thing is which are the minerals. Minerals. Which are the minerals? Arabian desert we had learned they have natural gas. Oil and iron ore. Also they have gold, copper, and Arabian desert has also manganese, uranium, many other. And main occupation of Arabian desert people is mining. Mining is extracting the minerals. Okay. So this was about the human life of the desert region people. Again, quickly, they have farming is main activity. Other than that, they look after animals. They also have mining activities. Okay, the trade is carried on the back of camel, vans and jeep. Which are the things they sell? I told you they sell carpets, ropes, dates, food grains, all these things they sell. And there are plenty of other minerals present also there. Like in context of Arabian desert, we have learned they have natural gas, gold, copper, uranium, manganese. Okay, these are the things. Mining is main activity in Arabian desert. So this is how we have completed chapter 6. Explanation is over. I'll give you the question answers and exercises in the next coming classes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on Saturday. You can call me and ask me. I will be explaining you on the coming Monday then. If you have doubt, you can read the chapter again and understand it better. Have a nice day. Study well. For your homework, you will find some of the exercises. Okay, what you will do? You will make a model of oasis. Take some clay, make a model of oasis, plant some trees around it. So also you can do one thing. Instead of making oasis, you can plant a tree near your house to make it more, not a desert, a more beautiful place. Thank you. Bye.